Hi, my name is Teacher Abby, and in this video, we're going to take a look at question number 8 from section 5 of the GRE General Practice Test number 3. Now, this one is a data interpretation question. So when we're looking at it, we're given a distribution A and a distribution B, and we want to compare the standard deviations of the two distributions to figure out which one is larger. Now, one thing you have to recognize is that this first distribution is actually unimodal, which means it has one mode or one high point, and this actually makes kind of a bell curve shape. Whereas our second one is bimodal. That means it has two modes that are on either end. Now, both are symmetric, which is also super important. That means if I were to cut it in half, I would see the same shape on both sides. Now, if my situation is where the mode is where the median is or in the middle, then it's going to have a smaller standard deviation than if I have more data out to the edges. So this one is actually just a theoretical abstract one because you're not going to be doing a ton of calculations on this question on the test. All right. But because there's more data on the outside edges, distribution B is going to have the greater standard deviation. You could also calculate this by finding the sum of the deviations squared and dividing it by the number of data values, but that will take quite a bit of time. So I recommend recognizing the shapes instead.